We are trained to build armies of fighters from our children. Tell them always persevere. Patch their scrapes with plasters. Teach them that skin heals, and scars are just proof that if they push through pain, their bodies will reward them. Grandma, what big eyes you have. The better to watch you grow, my dear. I tore through the tape of moving boxes in search of my little black dress, threw garments in the air like a blender with a vendetta against the lid who left long ago. I knew I had to hurry. He was coming to take hold of my heart. Maybe it was nerves making me feel this uneasy. Butterflies fluttering past their lifespan now scratched the pit of my stomach, reminding me that we all live on borrowed time. Hourglasses call for certain types of sand. White quartz from Paradise Shores is actually a poor choice. Its angular shape doesn't slip through as easily as more eroded grains like rock flour, meaning the ideal sands filling these glass vessels measuring time is actually dust created in the wake of nature's destruction. Grandma, what big hands you have! The better to carry the weight of your worries, my dear. He came quick and unannounced. Grief is not the type of date that knocks politely at your door. Grief texts you from the car to tell you he's waiting, makes you come to him. You may prolong it for a moment, but he'll press ink print skids onto your pavement certificate. Speed past casual fling to full-on commitment. Grief is always looking for a new lifelong companion. Grandma, what big tubes in your nostrils. All the noises became too much. She gurgled and choked on a mix of morphine and spit. Sounded like when a dental assistant says it's time to rinse, uses a hose to extract the leftover liquid. But Grandma didn't want help. We're trained to always pursue endurance. She worked for half a century as a widow, running her own business, raising 3 daughters, one with severe mental and physical illness. All she wanted in the end was for her loved ones to tell her she could finally rest. We are all hourglasses, filled with the grains of those gone before us. Grandma, what a big heart you had. The better to strengthen yours now, my dear. Thank you.